So if you're having trouble getting your fingerprint option to work in Bitwarden, as you can see over here, I'm trying to enable it, and when I enter my fingerprint, it just deactivates the option. So this has happened before and I was able to fix it, but it has happened again. So hopefully maybe this will help you fix the issue. So what you need to do is head over to your phone settings and then go to your password and security option, go to your fingerprint option and enter your pattern. Okay, so I'll be using this finger to unlock Bitwarden, and what I'm going to do now is check which of the fingerprints is for this one. I think it's finger one, but let's see. Yeah, so it's finger one. What I'll do now is delete it and then enroll it again. So this may take some time depending on how fast and good your fingerprint scanner is. So just go ahead and do the same. Delete your old one and use the same finger again to create the fingerprint lock. After that, tap finish, and as you can see now, I have it registered again. So now I'll head back to Bitwarden and log in. Okay, so I've successfully logged into Bitwarden using my password. I'll go to settings, account security. I'll enable this and let's see. So as you can see now, it has been enabled, and if I leave the app and I try to log in, you can see it is asking me to use my fingerprint, and I can easily log in using my fingerprint. So just try it this way. If it works, fine. If it doesn't, then sorry, I can't help. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and ask me any questions you may have. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.